Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the camera safe to work on. Power off, remove the battery and memory card, and set the body on a soft cloth. Inspect the lens and mount for obvious dents or debris so you know what to expect. Once done, use a magnifier and a small flashlight to identify loose screws or displaced parts. Make sure to note model numbers and take photos before disassembly. This saves time and prevents mistakes when you reassemble the camera. You now perform careful disassembly, following your model-specific diagram and keeping screws labeled in order. Remove the outer casing to access the shutter assembly, aperture blades, and flex cables, because these are common failure points. Gently test cable connectors and look for corrosion or kinks. Replace any frayed flex cables. Once exposed, clean electronic contacts with 90% isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber swab, and you reassemble the camera in the reverse order, aligning connectors and seating cables before tightening screws. Use gentle torque so you don't strip threads. Once closed, reinstall the battery and memory card, then run a full set of tests: autofocus, exposure metering, continuous frames, and lens communication. If images look odd, calibrate or run a firmware reset. If problems persist after cleaning and replacement, the one key troubleshooting tip is to try a factory-level firmware reinstall or consult a certified repair center for sensor or board level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.